Hey guys, we received this Martok 5K rear view mirror camera with a 12-inch touch screen and a 60 FPS rear view mirror backup camera for car. It's a mirror dash cam, front and rear, 4K to 160p with a night vision, parking assist, and also comes with a 64 gigs card and a GPS tracker. So let's open the box. So the first impression, it's a very nice gift box as you can see, very protective, very shiny and big 12-inch screen as you can see it here. So let me just remove this protective covering. So this is a very nice glass touch screen, and then it also have this backup camera here. So let's remove this protective covering here too. So this camera is to store like what is going on in the front as a dash cam, and then also have these connections with the GPS, and this have a 64 gigs card already inserted in it, so it can store ample videos and storage. So this thing comes with a accessory set, and let's open this and see what's there. So say like this is a GPS tracker. So this GPS tracker can be inserted into this camera or in the mirror, and then it can track your whole route, like where you are going and things, and you can see that in their own GPS software. And then this also have the other accessories, like this is the backup camera that comes with this, and then you can put this backup camera in the back of your car and you can use it in a way. There is also a bunch of cables and also this adapter, like the power adapter that when we use with the car. So these are some bands so that you can put it on your rear mirror of the car, and then some attaches and things. So there are some tool like just to open if you want to put it into a wire, and this you can have this wire as well that you can set up your backup camera with, and the manual how to do everything. So this is a complete set if you want to use these wires from the backup camera to like the front camera and the dash cam, and also like this touchscreen thing. As I mentioned, like you can put it in the GPS here. The tracker will come and then you can track your drive and the route where you are going. Then the other thing is to put this for the power supply from your car, and that goes in your smoke cigarette van. And then this also have this backup camera connection with the wire thing. So basically, it's a gate set and a bunch of wires that you have to put in the car for the setup. You can use or extend this cable by putting it in here, and then you can use it in the either through the USB-C or also through the wire set adjustments or the connection. So I put in the car with the bands as you can see in the back here. So they are the bands that goes over the your mirror. And then once I put in the GPS, it asks me for the location set by the GPS that I can use with this dash cam. So let's see, like this one is you can see a clear view of the dash cam in the front of my screen. And then you can adjust, and also if you can swipe it up and down, so it will rotate a bit. You can set up the position. This is a 4K video, and you can do the recording or anything. You can also swipe it, and then you can have a two-way view with the setting portion. Also you can check the touch screen with the brightness, and also with the two view of the rear view and the front view. And as you can see, like I just put in the rear camera just for the demo purpose. You can use it for checking the passengers, or you can talk, and you can have a dual screen in one screen. So this is a pretty cool feature that you can use it for the front and the rear camera at the same time. And then these are the settings that you can see and adjust it accordingly to your need. You can also set for the GPS for the things, and this is the thickness above your car say, and then it is a very thin based on the features it have, and then also have the park assist and things that you can set up. So anybody coming near to your car will be traced by it, and then it will store it. So this is a touch screen thing, very bright. You can check the brightness and then adjust it accordingly. And also like you can set up the stuff. So with the time and the thing on things in once, and there are the setting thing that you can do with the loop G sensor and all other things, formatting the card and all other settings here. You can also adjust the brightness or the quality of the videos that is captures. And so there's a lot of things that you can do with this. Very helpful, the GPS or the dash cam and the mirror, and with the front and the rear view camera in one. And hope this is useful to you as well.